हेलो गाइस। हेलो गाइस। यार ये हेलो करना इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट थिंग्स, ठीक है। बट एनीवेज आई वेलकम यू ऑल विथ माय बिग आर्म्स। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू रिएक्ट टू my love of the life, my everything, the one who has changed my life and the one who has made everything so pretty. Only 1 minute is left and we are going to react to BTS new album and song Life Goes On official MV. I always feel that BTS comes in your life when it is the right time, not before, not after. They come at the right time. I always see armies, saying that gosh, we have met them in 2013 and life would have been easier. Life would have been easier and we would have support them. But I feel like they come to your life in the right time. Did you see Jungkook today? Oh my god. That I have to see here, right? Anyways, only 30 seconds are left. Let's go, let's go, let's go. OMG, OMG, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I really can't wait to do this because I vote 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. This begin intro is never going to get me. If this goes out, I would be like, what? Here it goes. And the video starts with him wearing the mask. He is looking so pretty. This first line only had me very badly. Because, Cookie is saying this, it makes you hit differently. And that is how, like, this song is so sad at the same time, it is hopeful at the end, and it makes you feel a lot of things, man. India is a festive country, and so many festivals went away just because of this. Springs mean so much to them. Jikook, Aram, him and Cycle is like soulmate, and he has not been there. It's like, wow, they are together. Jin shouting on things or just even acting to shout on things makes me laugh, like makes me crack really badly. And this scene right here, everyone is doing their own thing, but at the same time, they are together, and that makes me feel very much like, ugh. The way he saw in that back mirror, it made me feel like he was looking right through my soul. This part had me very bad because I have seen throughout this pandemic that everyone is sharing their throwback memories, and how they used to be back then, and what and how they celebrated their festivals back in 2019, and now how things have turned out. And this part hits very badly because they are looking at their own self, like how they used to enjoy outside, go there and there, and now they're sitting in a house closed for this many months and looking at that memories flashback. I mean, Jungkook with cameras. Hobie's smile. This man's smile is everything. If you see him laughing and smile, that's it. That's it. You will laugh crazily, and that will make your day. This one frame has hit me very badly. I'm saying everything is hitting me very badly, but it is actually making me feel a lot because the coziness, the feeling how you feel when you are looking back at that time when everything was all right. This is that feeling. This is how I feel. This, like, Jungkook and Jin has, like, they are representing me and my best friend how I feel. I really, really, really am daily praying for his recovery soon. It's fine if he wants, if he is taking this break, it is needed. He should take a break until and everything सब कुछ ठीक है तब तक उसको ये break लेना ही चाहिए. I just hope that he is recovering very well. And I'm grateful that nothing has changed between me and BTS. Like, this is one bond which has got even deeper than how it used to be before this pandemic. This part, I have never been to that concert. We Indians, mostly, most of us has never been to that concert, and I believe that many of the armies would not have been able to go to that concert. But the ones who have got there, BTS also being there, this Olympic stadium, this much part is so much like hurting, because they have been there. This is something they always wanted to do, and now it is just a memory or something from afar they can look back. I really want them to have at least a small concert in Korea, no matter if it's not in other countries, because so that they, Korean armies and BTS are very much near, so at least they might feel good, and seeing them happy makes us international armies also happy. James, this man has been cowed with a lot of time. God has given humorous and humongous time to just sculpt this face and that heart of his. This music and the way he closes his eyes and opens again and looks, and everyone is there. This music part is really much in the forest, in the winter. I was going to sing in English. Angel. This man is Angel. He is everything to me. And he's like my bias. I love all of them, but he is always going to be the top. On my table. Yeah, life goes on. This is the part of video which will give you hope and which will make you happy. Even though they say life goes on a lot of times, but this part, this black and white part of them singing together and giving us that hopeful vibe is something, them giving us hope is something which makes me happy at the end of this video. So we have reacted to it. I'm really emotional, and I'm really going to listen to different songs now, and I hope that you guys were here with me till now, and it's a good day. I'm so emotional that I'm not able to say much, but anyways, thank you so much for viewing my videos, and we'll see you next week. Hopefully I can make and do something new. Bye bye. So the first time when I watched the MV, I was not able to react at all because I was very much absorbed in it. So I'm again going to react, and man, this is very emotional. So let's go. This intro of Wicked is never going to get old. It always makes you feel so much, just like that. Ding. So let's go.